She thought the car fell on
She-
you.
Maybe she was wishing, I don't know.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many times I've been out, if you're doing it in the driveway or anything, you're sitting under the car, and that's the coolest part, the coolest place is under the car. Sit back, take a nap while you're under there. Good to go. So he's gonna move the rampage. He's gonna move that rampage. We're gonna put this next door. So
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Somebody's Dodge needs to be moved too.
Huh? I think we can slam into it and we'll be okay.
It's fine with me. It's not mine.
Hey now. I was talking about yours. What are you talking about?
Hey, Bob, were you running the air conditioner on this thing?
Oh yeah,
Okay, well, I just wondered.
yeah. It was a cool ride.
I saw a puddle of water or something underneath it. I was kind of worried.
There is no air conditioner on it.
There isn't?
There is no air conditioner on it. Yeah, that's a puddle of something. That's a small puddle. It's an old car.